Hello and welcome. Thank you so much for visiting. My name is Kelly Walker Stone, and I am a substance abuse counselor and a drug and alcohol prevention speaker. And my career and my life's work is focused in the field of addiction and substance abuse. My bachelor's degree, as far as my education, my bachelor's degree is from the University of Pittsburgh, and it's in sociology. It's a bachelor's in sociology. And then I went to the Indiana University of Pennsylvania, where I got my master's degree in counseling. And so over the years, I have gained valuable experience working in the mental health field and the substance abuse field. And I've worked with many clients who have co-occurring disorders, which are substance abuse disorders that coexist with the mental health disorders as well. And so more specifically, working with the clients who have the substance abuse disorders, my eyes have really been opened to the addiction field and drug and alcohol abuse, and also more specifically prescription drug abuse. This was a huge eye-opener for me as a clinician. And so seeing these statistics, the Centers for Disease Control, they've actually declared prescription drug abuse an epidemic. It's a national epidemic. The statistics and the numbers are absolutely staggering. They're unbelievable. And so my focus really, I do a lot of speaking to schools and to colleges and high schools. I also speak to middle school students, but also organizations. I speak to drug and alcohol centers, specifically about this prescription drug abuse issue, because again, I want to bring awareness to this. I want to inform, I want to educate. Because what we're really seeing is that a lot of teens and adults as well have the misconception that because prescription drugs are prescribed by a doctor, they are prescribed by a physician, that they are safe. And that is not necessarily the case. Whenever they become abused, when these prescription drugs are being abused, they are no longer safe. They are only safe whenever they are under a doctor's supervision and they're being taken as prescribed. And so as you can see, and as you navigate around this particular website, you are going to see that I speak on drug and alcohol issues, but I'm really focusing my efforts very strongly in the area of the prescription drug abuse. So the purpose of me is just to give a brief explanation here of who I am, what I do, the reason that I do it. I definitely see that there's a need for this, and that's why I'm so excited and passionate about getting out there and really speaking to people and educating youth and teens and adults as well, and getting out there into the healthcare community to be able to talk about this issue and bring minds together to see what we can do in order to fight this particular issue. So as you see, as you go around the website, you're going to see information about the different speaking that I do for colleges, for high schools, middle schools, for organizations. I also do a lot of speaking to community groups, parents, and things like that, because I really want to get the word out there. If you have any additional questions, please feel free to contact me. You can contact me via email at info@maximummotivation.com. That's info@maximummotivation.com. And then you can also you can also call me at 1-888-386-2024. Again, that's 1-888-386-2024. I would love to hear from you. Anything I can do to help, please let me know. Thank you again for listening, and you take care.